For question number 2 again, same exercise 12.1. See, the following data is given. See, the data values, it is for different group of people. One group, another individual group, it is totally different. Another group, different groups which are not connected with one another, and their data is given, individual data. Huh? So it will be when different groups of people like this, then the graph is bar graph, and in this question it is already mentioned, you draw bar graph, okay? So first we will draw a horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal line we call x-axis. We will draw one horizontal line we call x-axis. This is called x-axis, x dash, and vertical we call y-axis, y dash, okay? And different groups we will represent along x, different groups, and bar graph we know we have to keep gap in between. The first gap we will leave it empty, second gap it will represent by the first group of people. First group of people, you see it is mentioned here, scheduled tribe, SC. So first group you will mention here, it is SC, then empty, and next group is here, next group it is mentioned ST people, and then next empty, next group, next gap, it is backward districts, no, SC, ST, non-SC, ST, non-SC, ST, other people, then again gap, and then next it is representing the next group of people. Next group of people it is written backward districts. I'll write shortcut backward districts. Then again we will keep empty. This is empty, and the next will represent next group of people, next non-backward districts. It is non-backward districts. In shortcut, little bit short I am writing. You can write in exam properly, okay? You can keep little more gap here. This side, this x-axis you can draw here, and this way you can write the these different groups of people description in full form, okay? The next group empty again, and then next bar it will represent rural, okay? Rural. Then empty, and the next gap it is representing urban. Something like this. So this is all the, how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. So 7 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. Now along Y we have to put their values, okay? Their data values given. You see 940, 970, 920, 950. So highest is 970 is the highest. So we have to, along y-axis we have to take the number scale. Na? Scale means first 10 division how much we have to take, the next how much. That depends on the highest number here. The highest number should accommodate within the graph. 950, I think it will be, 970 is highest. So 970 is highest. I think if we take 50-50, it will accommodate. 50-50. So first 10 division is 50, 50 plus 50 is 100, then 150, 200, then 250, 300, 350, then 350, then 400, 450, 500, then 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, then 850, 900, 950, then 1000. We don't have to go beyond of that, okay? And you have to mention here, I think in the previous graph I did not write, along Y what we are representing. That we have to mention here. This values, okay? This values we are representing along Y. So this value, what it is? It is number of girls per 1000 boys. Number of girls per 1000 boys we have to mention here. Number of girls, we have put arrow mark. Along Y we are representing number of girls per 1000 boys, something like that. It is written in the previous graph also. You have to write the description. Along Y we are writing number of girls per 1000 boys, okay? Then you have to mention here what scale we are taking. You see 10 smallest division you are taking 50 units along Y, okay? So you have to mention here along Y, along y-axis, what we did, 10 smallest division is equal to, we are taking 50 units we have taken, okay, that we have to mention here. And along x we don't have to write anything, because in bar graph along x is just different group of people. These are different groups of people. We have already mentioned the description there. Now see the data. The first group their value is 940. First group, the first group it is here, their value is 940. 940 where you see, this is 900, 950. So 940 will be some 940, 950. That means you see 10 division is 50 units. That means each division is 5 units. Okay, each smallest division is 5 units. 50 by 10, 50 by 10 is 5. So first rectangle, that means first bar, we have to go up to how much, you see, we have to go up to 940. So this is 900, this is 950. 940 means we have to leave 2 division. So this will be 940. First bar. So we will join, we will draw the bar. This is the first bar for the first group of people, and we can shade it. Okay, first bar we can shade it, first group of people. The second bar, second group of people, ST people, you see, second group of people, their value is 970. So here you see, this is 950, this is empty, okay, in between gap. 950, then 5, one smallest division is 5 units, na? So we have to go 970. 70 means 4 division, 1, 2, 3, 4 5s are 20. So 50 plus 20 is 70. So we have to go up to this much. This will be 970 is the highest value in the data. So we can complete the bar, okay. Completing the bar, and we can just shade it to make it neat and clear, na? Clearly visible, okay. Then the third group of people is non-SC ST. It is here, you see, non-SC ST, their value is 920. So this is 900, and 4 division we have to go again, 4 5s are 20. So this will be 5, yes, one smallest division is 5 unit, na? So 920 it will be, we have to go 4 division, yes. So this will be 920. 920, say again we can draw the, complete the bar, and we can shade it to make it clearly visible. The next group of people is it is backward districts, okay. Backward districts, their value is 950 again. 950 is here, clear. 950, this is the 950 value, and this is, we have to write here, mention here, and we can complete the bar, okay. Complete the bar, shade it. And the next district, next group of people, non-backward districts, yes, district, 920 again 920. So 920 is here, we can complete the bar and shade it. Then the next group of people, is non-backward districts, 920. Rural is 930. Rural, next rural, it is here, rural, na, 930. So 900, and we have to go 6 smallest division. One division is 5, we said, na? So 6. This will be 930. 930. We can complete the bar. Then we have the last group. Last group of people, that is urban area, 910. Urban area value is 910. So one empty is there, 900. 2 division, 2 5s are 10, 910, this one. And we can complete the bar, okay. And you can shade it, and all the values we have written. So all the bar are complete, you can see, it is clearly visible. Yes, you can see clearly visible all the bar, okay. So along X is different group of people. In between every 2 rectangle is a bar. Each rectangle is a bar. In between every 2 bar there is a gap, okay. first gap, then first bar, second gap, then next bar, and every bar, every group of the different bar, different group of people, and along y-axis their values. Okay, it is mentioned here number of girls, whatever is in the data, and we have to mention here also along y-axis what we did. You see, 10 smallest division is 5 units. So if one division will be how much? 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is 5. One smallest division is 5 units. Okay, and 10 division is 50 units. We have mentioned here. We have written here 10 division is 50 units, or if you divide, then one division is 5 units. Both correct. Okay, so this is the complete solution for second question.